The ConnectIt-Sage utility provides a very quick and a very easy way of creating documents in Sage 50 from QuoteWerks. Much of the default behaviour you're about to see can be modified using the ConnectIt-Sage configuration utility. Please watch the ConnectIt configuration video to find out how you can set ConnectIt up to meet your own specific business requirements. Before we transfer this document from QuoteWerks to Sage, we're just going to have a quick look at it. First of all, you can see that it's an order, and on this order we have 5 different products A, B, C, D and E, and they're being provided by 3 different vendors or suppliers, A, B and C. We've got some QuoteWerks comment lines here that have been used to separate the separate phases, 1, 2 and 3. We've also got some subtotals, and there's a discount on here, and there's a labour charge. Okay, so that's the document items. If we now go to the Sold To, Ship To tab, we can see that the Bill To company is A1 Services, and our contact there is Andy Harrison. And we do have a different delivery address, our Ship To address, and this is Boomer's Artworks, going to Jane Bellamy in Whitley Bay. On our Sale Info tab, we can see that we have a customer purchase order number, which is 999. Our sales rep is Paul Fielding, and the all-important QuoteWerks document status is B2B ready for Sage. And this B2BO ready for Sage means back-to-back order ready for Sage. And precisely that means that out of the one QuoteWerks order document, we're going to create 4 documents in Sage. We're going to automatically create the sales order document for the customer, and then we're going to create the 3 purchase order documents for our suppliers. If I now go to the Custom tab, we'll see that we have 3 fields here that are going to be populated with information from Sage once the transfer has taken place. The first one is the Sage Sales Order Processing Document Number, and then here we're going to have the Sage Purchase Order Processing Document Numbers, and the transfer date will appear here. So all we need to do to transfer the document is click Tools, Create Document in Sage, and ConnectIt will now initialize, and what it's doing is it's just checking that it can connect to Sage and that the document type and status are of the correct and valid type as set up in the configuration utility. So we get a message here saying unsupported line types appear on the QuoteWerks document, but they won't be added to the document in Sage. Do we want to continue? Well, that's referring to those comment lines that we were looking at, the phase 1, 2 and 3, and also the subtotals. Yes, that's fine, because they don't actually contain any information that's vital to the invoice in Sage. So yes, we'll click to continue, and here we get another prompt saying that there's negative values on the QuoteWerks document and that they will be added to the document in Sage. Now that's referring to the discount that I had on the order. That's fine, so yes, we'll continue. And all these prompts that are coming up, you can choose to suppress them if you want to in the ConnectIt configuration utility. Our next prompt is saying that it's identified that there are 3 vendors and wanting to know if we want to create purchase orders for all of them. We could, if we want to, only select to create purchase orders for vendors B and C, but actually we want to do for all 3. So we leave them ticked and click OK. And now ConnectIt is saying that it can't find an exact match for the customer. Do we want to do a search? So it's found A-Serve A1 Services. Yes, that is the one. So we can click yes and continue. And now it's saying that ConnectIt has completed successfully. It's saying that the status has been updated and the document has been locked. And we now need to save the QuoteWerks document to ensure that the changes are not lost. So I'm going to click OK. And here we can see that the Sage sales order processing number is 84. And the 3 purchase order document numbers in Sage are 123, 124 and 125. And here we see the date that the document was transferred from QuoteWerks to Sage. If I now go to the Sale Info tab, we can see that the status has indeed been updated from B2BO ready for Sage to B2BO sent to Sage. So anyone who goes into this document in the future can see that it has already been transferred to Sage. And to prevent it inadvertently transferred again, the document has been locked. If I now go to Sage and refresh my list here, I can open 84, which is our sales order document, and we can see here our 5 product codes A, B, C, D and E, and our descriptions. It's also brought across the discount and the labour charge, and here we've got our quantities from the QuoteWerks document, the price and the associated VAT. Here is the address of our customer, A1 Services, and if I click on the order details, we can see here's the delivery address, our Whitley Bay address, and here we see the QuoteWerks document number AAA 1082, the QuoteWorks document name, ConnectIt-Sage document creation, and here the Sage purchase order numbers 123, 124 and 125. Can see here the customer order number that's come from the QuoteWerks Sale Info tab, and our sales rep, order taken by Paul Fielding. So there is all our information on the sales order document. If we now close this and go into our purchase order processing module and refresh this, here we can see our 125, 124 and 123, our 3 different purchase orders. So if I open this, for vendor A, we can see that they're supplying 1 product for us, and there's the delivery address that they're to send that product to. And again here we've got our relevant details about the QuoteWerks order number, the QuoteWerks document name and the sales order number. Close this one down and we'll go into 124, and we can see here that vendor B is supplying us with 2 products, product B and product D. And here we've got the quantities they're supplying, the prices and the VAT. And if I now close this down and go to the last one, vendor C, we can see that vendor C is also supplying us with 2 products, product A and C. If I go to the order details there, again it's clearly marked that there's a delivery address in Whitley Bay. So very quickly and very easily from QuoteWerks we've been able to create 4 documents in Sage, and that's using this B2BO facility, back-to-back order. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please contact your QuoteWerks reseller partner or visit the ConnectIt website at connectit-online.co.uk or email us at info@connectit-online.co.uk. Thank you.